Recording. Get the clip. Oh. Currently doing mirror tint in the G35, peeling the old basic tint off. Already done. Gotta get some goo going to get the rest of the shit off. One side's done.
Oh, you peeling the tint off?
Where's the old tint?
I need some goo going.
I knew you needed. I told you you were gonna need it.
Yeah. Should we run up to the store?
Yeah.
Okay.
Set off.
Yeah, I could. Yeah. Oh.
Too easy, bro.
I thought we were gonna need fucking razor blades and shit. No. Easy.
Someone might have actually gotten stabbed.
Yeah, they get posted up. Like they're kind of like parked up right now.
Man, they got him at the Arby's, man.
Rip my block.
Successful trip to the store. We're gonna try getting the goo going on here now. There's so much of this fucking shit on here.
Yeah? Having fun?
No.
Yeah, you can really see it. I can't get in there.
Like that side, it's almost the whole thing is.
I don't know if it's coming up on camera. Ew.
Oh, look at Gentry out there.
Bad bitch. Ah!
This guy's tweaking.
It's okay.
Dang. Good stuff.
Yours is gonna look a lot better than mine.
It seems like we have more room for error on this one. Like around the edges.
We definitely do. I feel like we can use that strategy there, Tyson. Finger on the inside, finger on the outside from now on.
Oh, right here. And here.
What are you doing over here, Cooper?
I'm about done.
I love how you can just point
Cleaning
to
off the gunk.
Cleaning off the gunk.
Somewhere around over here.
The little last piece.
Dude, that looks so much better on your
Let
car.
me see how this looks. Oh shit.
Cooper, get out here, bro.
Look around.
Okay,
like
I gotta get on the one side now. What the side view looks like. I want to go. At some point, I'll put it on this one. We're on the other side now.
that.
Okay, where's the Lowe's card? Where's my Lowe's card?
I don't know, bro.
Everything's lined up.
I think it's lined up. Sir, you got a message?
I do? What?
Someone's speaking of you, sir. There we go, there we go. Up a little bit, right there, right. Get a shot of that out there. Crazy. Who took my water bottle? There it is.
Got both sides done. Good as hell. Gentry wants to do his back glass.
He made me jealous. I needed to one up him one more time. One more time before he goes full mirror tint.
Put a nigga on his shirt, make a mama miss him. We ain't giving any pass it to the opposition. Baby girl, stay down, you know your position.